Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am a grade 4 English teacher children. See beta, we are doing block 17, formal opinion letter. We have did our S1, today our topic is S2, planning a letter. How will you plan a letter? What do you mean by planning a letter? Planning a letter is nothing but what you are going to write. What are the main points in the letter? What you are going to write? What important points you are going to write in a letter? That is planning a letter. While planning a letter, you should follow some steps. Now, two things: personal letter and formal letter. Personal letter is written to your family members and your friends. How will you address your family members and friends? Him or her, or by their first name. Next comes here a formal letter. Formal letter, how you write? A formal letter is written to the people in authority. You write a formal letter to people who are in authority when we want them to take an action or request them to make some changes. Then of this formal letter you will write. How will you address this person? How will you address these people in this formal letter? Respected sir or madam. No, these two things you should keep in your mind. Next, our topic today is planning a letter. Now, we are going to focus on formal letter points. Now, see here children, there are few points. See children, in formal letter, we will focus today only on formal letter children. First, we will read about formal letter. When you are writing formal letter, what you will do? First, you will write from address. Then you will write to address. You will write your date. This is very compulsory. It is very important, sorry. Then you will write salutation. Then you will write introduction. Then you will write body with the supporting reason. What do you mean by body with the supporting reason? Body means main. When you are asking or when you are requesting, what you should do? You should write that complaint or request. That is supporting reason. And that supporting reason should be limited. Not too short or too long. Okay. This is nothing but body with a supporting reason. Next is conclusion. Next is closing. Last is your signature and your date. These are compulsory. These are important points to be written in the formal letter children. I hope you all understood. Now we will take out your workbook and we'll write now. We are doing volume 3 beta book, page number 6. S2, planning a letter. Today, write today's date beta 26-12-2020. See, what is this? You can see a tree here. No, let us read this first. Imagine you have to write a formal opinion letter to the municipality office asking him not to cut down the trees on the roadside to widen the road. What he's telling here? He's telling that you are writing your opinion beta. To who? To municipality officer. What you are telling in that letter writing? Not to cut down the trees which are near the roadside. Why they are cutting down the trees? To widen the road. Wide means to make the road big beta. Next, fill in the main reason. Fill in the main reason for writing the letter. What is the main reason? You should write in this place given here. And the supporting reason in the tree graphic organs. See, you should write here the main reasons beta here. Organizer, graphic organizer. Okay. Now let us write beta now. I'll write and show you one reason now. Remaining one reason you should write. Already he have given here. See, hope you all can see here. We should stop cutting down trees. He have already written here. No? Next. See here what he is writing. Trees give us fruits that keep us healthy. Already he gave here two reasons. Two we should write here. Let us write now. See here beta. I have written like this. In one place given here. Okay. See what I have written in this tree. The tree near the roadside are not very big and old. We should not cut down them. He is telling you to write the main reason. See here. fill in the main reason for writing the letter. Here you should write the main reason why we are writing the formal letter to municipality. So what you'll write, how you'll start the formal letter, I have explained you already in S1. Now in S2, he is telling you to write the only main reasons in this tree here. Tree provided here, no? There are two places which are left empty. So you need to fill it. See, first one I have given like this. The tree near the roadside are very big and old. We should not cut down them. You can write here, according to me, the place. So what you'll write here, beta? You'll write the main reasons in this place. One reason I have written, beta. You write one more reason, beta. What you can write here? You write, according to me, the place is not narrow. The trees are not blocking the road. The bikes, the vehicles, the car, the big car and big buses are making the road small, and due to this the traffic jam is like this. With your own some ideas, beta, you can write here. Okay, hope you all understood, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Write this, beta. Okay.